In this video, you will learn how to create a stacked chart in Microsoft Excel. I have the data about the corona cases in children, men, women and old people for different cities of Pakistan. If you look at this graph, you can see here the y-axis shows the number of cases while x-axis shows the city name, and this bar shows the division of cases in children, men, women and old people. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, arrange your data like this one. After doing that, select the data. Go to Insert tab, and in Insert tab, you will find the option of charts. From here, go to bar chart, and here you will find the option of stacked column chart. You can select either stacked column chart or 100% stacked column. I will select stacked column, so I will select this one. After doing that, I will place it here and resize it. Click on chart, and here you will find the option of chart element. Click on it. Now from here you can select component according to your choice. I want to insert axis title, so I will check this option. And I don't want grid line, so I will unselect this option. I want to insert data labels. I will select this one. I don't want data tables, so I have not selected this option. After doing that, click anywhere. Again, click on chart title and write chart title in formula bar and press enter. Go to home tab, and from here you can select font size and font style. You can choose color using this option. If you click on this graph, here you will find the option of chart design. Click on it, and from here you will find the option of chart styles. If you click here, you can choose any style according to your requirement. Additionally, there is another useful option, which is the quick layout. Click here and you can select layout according to your requirement using these options. Additionally, here is another useful option, that is the change color. If you click here, you will find different color scheme. Additionally, if you want to change the color according to your choice, then there is another useful option. I will explain later in this video. Firstly, I will change the axis title. Click here, and this is the number of cases. Press enter and go to home and format it according to your requirement. I will copy this format and click here. Now you can see here this is also formatted like this one, and it indicates city name, so I will write city name. Press enter. Now select this axis, right click, go to format axis option, and from here you will find different options. You can select minimum value and maximum value. For example, if I choose maximum value 500 and click anywhere, now you can see here the maximum value is 500 now. Again click on it, and from here you can adjust measure unit as well as minor unit. Measure unit is the difference between these two labels, and the minor unit is the difference between these tick marks. I will insert later. If I scroll down, here you will find the option of tick marks. Click here. I want to insert tick marks on outside. I will select measure type outside, minor type outside. Now I want to insert a solid line on y-axis. I will go to fill a line option. From here I will select line option, and in line option I will select solid line, and from here I will choose black color. You can adjust the width of this line using this option. I will select 1.5 pt. Again click on y-axis and you can change the font color as well as font style of the data labels. You can also repeat this procedure for x-axis. I will select this one. I will copy the format using format painter option and just click here. If I right click here, go to format axis and go to fill and line option, and from here you can adjust line, solid line with black color and 1.5 pt width. Now you will learn how to change the color of these bars as well as how to insert a solid line. Select this one. Now you can see here only one data series is selected. Right click. Here you will find the option of format data series. From here go to fill and line option. Go to border, and from here I want to insert a solid line. Black color is already selected and I will adjust width to 1 pt. Similarly, I will go to fill option and from here I will select solid fill and I can choose any color using this option. Again click on second data series and go to fill and line option, and from here I will select solid fill. I can choose any color. Go to border option and from here I will select solid line, black color and 1 pt width. You can also repeat this procedure for remaining ones. Now you will learn how to edit these legends. Select this one. Right click, go to format legend option, and from here I will select the location of legend, top. Additionally, here is the option of show the ladder without overlapping the chart. I will check this option. After that I will close this one. Go to font option, and from here you can select the color and font style. I will bold it. Now you will learn how to edit these data labels. Select these data labels. Now you can see here only one series is selected. Bold it, change their color as well as their font size. If you place your cursor on these data labels, right click, and here you will find the option of format data labels. From here you can select different options. For example, if you are interested to display the values from cell, you can select this option and you can choose any particular value. If you want to display the series name, you can select this one. Now you can see here the data along with series name is displayed here. I will uncheck this one. If I select category name, then category name will be displayed here. Currently you can see here I have only selected values, and show ladder lines, I will uncheck this option. If I scroll down, you will find the option of data position, either in center, inside end or outside end. I will select center and I will close this one. Similarly, you can select second data series and you can format it according to your requirement. For example, I will change its color to red, bold. So by doing so, you can easily format the stack chart according to your requirement. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.